underneath my sink, lying on my back here, trying to get these screws that hold the handles in the front of the cabinets here. I used various tools and I could not get the tools inside here, and I was finally able to get this little ratchet set here. It's just a ratchet set with this screw on it, a little bit on it. That's all you can get in here. There's no space whatsoever to get inside here, to work on here. And which ratchet did I buy to finish this job? Stay tuned and find out. This is a Strebito. This is the right angle screwdriver, 32-piece, 1/4-inch mini ratcheting set, low profile, and made in China. But off Amazon for $21 Canadian. Take a look at this inside this package here. Shows you all the different screws, the bits you get, and it shows you all the different things you can use it on: computers, new appliances, furniture, bicycle, car, and gunsmithing here. So we'll take a look at this today. Nice little compact set here, wrapped in plastic here. This small utility knife comes in handy to remove packaging. I did an actual video on this. I'll leave a link in the description. There are a variety of bits, or all kinds of bits you can use. This is a ratchet set. It's a very small ratchet set here. It's, I think, 3 3/4. I think small. It's in your hand here. Small is only 3 3/4. This is not magnetized, so when you put your bits in there, the bits are not magnetized neither. And they have what they call a 1/4-inch drive to socket. So you put this in there, and then you can put use a socket set. So kind of a unique system here. So we're going to try this out. So what kind of uses we can use this ratcheting set. Has an extension on with a 1/4-inch adapter and a little socket here. And I'm going to loosen this bolt on top of the flywheel. And it's very easy to loosen it, then tighten it back up. Just show you how it works. This little ratchet works here. Works very nicely. Using the 1/4-inch adapter here and using my socket sets, I have lots of little small sockets that can be used on this, and it works very nice. Remove this, loosen this screw off here, and just flip it over and tighten it back up. Nice little ratchet to have around the house here to use. This is the bottom of my treadmill. Here's a shroud here, and you can see all the dust inside here. And I'm going to remove this shroud. There's some screws holding the shroud in, and I'm going to use the little ratchet today. My number 2 Phillips screwdriver, but I noticed that the screw is in there very tight, and I don't want to strip the screw, so we'll use our little ratchet here. The bit fits in there very nicely, and now I can remove the screw without damaging the screw or without stripping the screw. The only other thing, the bits are not magnetized. When you take the screw out, it's going to fall on you. It's a tight fit here, but with the extender, I'm able to get the screw out. Remove the center screw there to access. I'm not going to pull the whole shroud off, just pull enough so I can get the vacuum cleaner in there. I was able to get the shroud down and vacuum out all the dust. Take a look at this Strebito there, ratcheting set. There are all kinds of different bits you can use, and different variations. I only showed you 2 or 3 different ones. It's just the tip of the iceberg with this thing. It's got the extension on it. It's got that little ratcheting system here. It's got the adapter for all these. And even these will fit in there. Your extra bits will fit in there as well. So it's a very handy ratcheting set to have here. So please share my video and ring that bell to be notified next time I upload a video. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. Have a great one, people.